All you know is Philandru and Medician. It's all about no separation. Big up to all the black nation, no matter where you're from.
Straight up,
so
straight up.
I mean I say Jamaica, Bahamas, Haiti, Trinidad, the whole Caribbean. When if you know united we stand. You see me?
Righteousness live forever. Unity is strength, my brother. So we all have to come together.
Straight.
Hey yeah, hey yeah. Righteousness live forever. Unity is strength, my brother. So we all have to come together. Hey yeah, hey yeah.
Break all the chain, shake off the shackles. Mentally prepare, ready for the battle. The system no care, them want we fi suffer. Whether you live or you die, you just a number. While the wicked them a plot and a plunder. Them just a live pound with flesh like a vulture. A long time them a destroy we culture. Now want we fi unite together.
Righteousness live forever. Unity is strength, my brother. So we all have to come together. Hey yeah, hey yeah. Righteousness live forever. Unity is strength, my brother. So we all have to come together. Hey yeah, hey yeah. All black people have to live as one. And holy meditation by the rivers bank. The most high Jah we have to give all thanks. Flock together like the peas and hands. Riverside, riverside. Every day me take it, give a vibe. Tell them step aside, and move from here so we don't know.